Good morning, everybody. We're going to Cars and Coffee with the kids. Welcome to Venomous Garage. Come on.
The camera's not on.
It's on. It's on. Come on.
No, it's not.
Yeah, it is.
I don't see the weapon.
Okay, hold on.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, B, get it. 2020, Happy New Year.
Yeah. Happy New Year, everyone.
It's a cool Jeep. How cool is that?
I'm gonna do all around it. This is the army jeep.
Cool, huh? Okay, don't touch anything. Come on.
I'm not trying to.
The Viper. Don't touch.
I'm not touching. I'm just looking at it.
Do you remember my Viper like this one? The red one?
You do have a red one.
No, I had one with that had red and black stripes.
Oh.
You don't remember that
I
one?
think I do.
Drop it to the back of that one. Drop it. Cool, huh?
Whoa! A red GT 50. A Mustang. Oh yeah. And it's trying to get very fast.
Yeah? What's cool about it?
The color is the same color as yours.
Yeah? These are nice, beautiful cars. Look at this.
Whoa.
Look at this one. This one's kind of cool. What does that say on the license plate?
GTO.
Bam! GTO. You guys good?
Yeah. Whoa, whoa, whoa.
It's kind of cool.
Whoa, the color of that car.
This one right here? Oh,
Yeah.
it's kind of cool, huh?
Hi.
How you doing?
Good?
That's a huge.
Truck is not a race car because they can run over cars.
Yeah,
That
that's
is
right.
a monster truck.
No, you guys are taking pictures of our Shelby.
There's people at our Shelby
Alright, let's go in here.
GT500. GT500.
Yeah?
Yeah.
How you doing?
Awesome car.
Thanks. We had the Viper up on the lift today. We're going to be doing a little bit of an inspection today because we're going to go to the racetrack, and the last thing I want to do is have this car break down on the track over a trivial matter that I could have addressed myself. So what I've done already is, as you can see, I've put the car up on the lift. I took the wheels out, make sure there's enough brake pad material. All the fluids are topped off, so I checked the water, oil, power steering fluid, all that stuff is looking great. So that's awesome. What I'm gonna do next is I'm gonna go ahead and go underneath the car and check for any leaks under there. I don't think there is anything. I don't see anything drifting on the floor, but I could be wrong. All right, axles, left axle looks clean. Now here, I'm gonna go ahead and rewrap this because this was actually having an issue last time around. I was having a charging system issue. If you follow the channel, you know. When the car would get extremely hot, it would short out and it wouldn't charge the battery, and causing my car to go into limp mode eventually. What I did was I heat wrapped long tubes collector, as you can see right there, and I'm gonna go ahead and tighten up the wrap here on the starter motor, as well as check the wiring heat wrap as well, just to make sure everything's legit. But before I do that, I want to look at tolerances of the belly pan here. As you can see, there's a lot of different bolts here, and one of the things that happened last time, as you can see right here, one of the things that happened last time is due to the NVH of the car, a few of the bolts in the rear came loose and the rear diffuser came off on the road, and we had issues there. So let me go ahead and tighten these up, make sure they're tight and ready to go. So I would say that's a good best practice. Just make sure everything's tight underneath before you head out, because as you can see, I found a couple of loose bolts here that could potentially cause an issue on the track. You spend a lot of money getting out to the racetrack and time and effort, and you want to make the best of your day, so you don't want to leave issues that are controllable by you to cause these type of problems. So I'll go ahead and tighten these up, and then we'll go from there. The last thing to do is torque down the lug nuts on the wheel. We're good to go. I figured we'd do a good point of view drive here. I'm gonna get the car hot. I'm gonna check the oil level, make sure everything's good, and we'll go from there. All right, this is a cold start. Very important on these cars, and any car for that matter. You don't really mess with it until the car gets warm enough. Car's up to temp. Just did a little hot lap around the neighborhood and checked the oil. It's been about 1,000 miles. Actually, not even 1,000 miles since I last did the oil change on it. Let's make sure oil level is where it should be. We'll be good to go. That's gonna wrap up this video right here. I wanted to make sure I document the process I go through to make sure the car is ready, operational for the track day. After the track day event, we'll do a post-mortem where I check oil level, check the catch can, brake fluid, power steering fluid, and all that fun stuff. So we may end up doing some fluid exchange at that point. But as of right now, car's ready to rock and roll. If you enjoyed this video, a like rating is greatly appreciated, and I'll see you in the next one.